Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Honor 70, and in this video we would like to show you the relative size comparison of the smartphone with a few other common objects. To begin with, for reference, I'll show you how big it looks near to a very default plastic card, which is the size of your typical bank card, debit or credit. I'll flip it over. Next, for the reference, I will also show you this Honor device next to a default iPhone 11 model. So it is significantly bigger or longer, should I say, taller, probably. That's going to be the right word. That's how it looks in terms of width and girth. And finally, I will also show you how big it looks in my hands. Those are of about average size, if I say so myself. Not too small, not too big. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. If you have any questions left, do not hesitate to ask them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.